Material is composition of atoms or molecules. The atom consisting of nucleus at the center and electrons revolving around the nucleus. Okay, the nucleus, it is having positive charge, electrons are negative charge. Always the electrons are bonding with the nucleus, attraction with the nucleus. This is the classical mechanics. We have a lot of classical theories. Okay, but what is the use of quantum mechanics? Why they are introducing quantum mechanics? The classical free electron theory, which is fails to explain the experimental results on black body radiation. Okay, the experimental results on black body radiation could not explained by classical thermodynamics and classical mechanics. Okay, this was fails to explain the black body radiation. What is black body radiation? If any radiation or light intensity is incident on a body, that body is absorbing completely the total light which is incident on it. Okay, later sometime it was emitting the total light. That is called black body. Almost 94% of incident radiation will be absorbed by the body. Okay, reflection properties takku untai. It will be absorbing all the light incident on it. Later it was emitted. Okay na? So based on the classical mechanics or classical theory, we know that according to classical mechanics the energy is continuous. That means the energy transmission from one place to other place is a continuous according to classical theories. If it is continuous, we may get continuous spectrum, electromagnetic spectrum. Ela ravali? It must be continuous. Why it is getting some gaps in the electromagnetic spectrum? There is no answer from classical mechanics. Gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet, visible, infrared, okay, microwave and radio. So there is some gaps are there. Gamma rays, okay, X-rays. So why there is a gap between gamma rays and X-rays? There is no answer from classical mechanics. If it is a continuous, if energy is continuous, we may get the continuous spectrum. Ante kada? So compulsory, it is getting continuous spectrum. But opposite, we are having discontinuous spectrum or discrete spectrum. Ana kada? Do you know the electromagnetic spectrum? Gaps untai chudandi. It is a band spectrum. Bands la form avutundi. First gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet, visible, infrared, microwave and radio waves. So there is a gap between one type of rays to another type of rays. Why that gap is arrived? Because the energy is not continuous. That is the main reason. Energy is a discrete. The transmission of energy or emission of energy or absorption of energy can take discrete values. Discrete values and discontinuous values, not continuous values. It is quantized values. The fundamental value may be having some energy. Suppose h nu, okay, equal to h nu. The energy can emitted by the body or absorbed by the body in terms of quantum or photon. The energy of photon equal to h nu. Okay na? The energy can take discrete values h nu, 2h nu, 3h nu. That fundamental value may be increases. Okay? So this type of values are called discrete values or quantized values because the energy is not continuous. Okay? The development of quantum mechanics mainly explained in two terms. One is the explanation of Planck's law. Second one is explanation of Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Formation of Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. So ఎవరైనా మీ క్వాంటమ్ మెకానిక్స్ గురించి చెప్పండి అంటే క్వాంటమ్ మెకానిక్స్ మెయిన్ ఫస్ట్గా 2 స్టెప్స్లో డెవలప్ అయింది. ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ ఈస్ explanation of Planck's law, otherwise introduction of Planck's law. Okay, introduction of Planck's law, formation of Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Why? What is the use of quantum mechanics? There is lot of subatomic problems, related problems, which are not successfully explained by the classical mechanics. Okay, subatomic means atom లోపల ఉన్న సిస్టాన్ని సరిగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయలేకపోయింది ఎవరు? క్లాసికల్ మెకానిక్స్. క్లాసికల్ మెకానిక్స్ అంటే ఏంటి? ఒక ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఉంటుంది, ఒక ఆటమ్ ఉంటుంది, ఆటంలో న్యూక్లియస్ ఉంటుంది, న్యూక్లియస్ చుట్టూ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ తిరుగుతుంటాయి, ఇవన్నీ చదివారు కదా. దట్ ఈస్ ద క్లాసికల్ మెకానిక్స్. అది చక్కగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయలేకపోయింది. అందుకని దీస్ quantum mechanics was introduced. The first one is explanation of Planck's law, second one is formulation of Heisenberg uncertainty principle. So the first topic is Planck's law, explanation of Planck's law. Second topic is Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Okay na? So right, 2 lines raskondi. Introduction, the experimental results on introduction. So unit 3 chapter 1 quantum mechanics. Okay nama? Unit 3 chapter 1 quantum mechanics. Introduction, the experimental results on intensity distribution. The experimental results on intensity distribution of black body radiation. Intensity distribution of black body radiation could not be explained by classical mechanics and thermodynamics. Classical mechanics and thermodynamics. Full stop. The experimental results on next line lo rasu. The experimental result on black body radiation can be explained by Max Planck's The experimental results on intensity distribution of black body radiation can be explained by Max Planck by introducing a revolutionary concept of radiation. That is quantum nature of radiation. Quantum nature of radiation. Quantum nature అంటే చెప్పాను కదా, the energy consisting of discrete values, దాన్నే quantum nature అంటారు. కంటిన్యూస్ వాల్యూస్ ఉండవు. ఓకేనా? ఇంక కొత్తగా ఏదనుకోవద్దు. ఫుల్ స్టాప్. The development of quantum mechanics mainly explained is mainly explained in two states.